Hello, myself Sana Dastagir from Sangli, Maharashtra. You are doing a great job, sir. Teaching from scratch to advanced level. It's like mastering a software. Today nobody gonna give these much content in the amount you are providing, really appreciable. Thank you for your great efforts, that is really informative and helpful. Keep it up.
Hello, I am Vikas from Nepal. This course is 100% worth it. This course gives in-depth knowledge about RCC structural system along with background theory and practical aspect. I am overwhelmed with my decision to take the course and will continue to do such courses in future. Thank you for giving such a great opportunity.
Hello, myself Chandra Dev from Mumbai, Maharashtra. Thank you so much, sir, for teaching me this course. The way of teaching explained to us very well in very simple language which we never felt bored. I have learned a lot from you, like technical thing and related to software. You have given knowledge in a better than what I expected.
Hello, I am Kamal from Thanjavur, Tamil Nadu. Thank you so much for such a fantastic course. I enjoyed the course and learned a lot from it. The content and delivery style were easy to follow. Great presenting approach with plenty of opportunities to ask questions and discuss real life situations, resulting in a really enjoyable and instructive course.
I am Akila from Chennai, Tamil Nadu. The course training program is well organized. Mainly it covered all major important basic technical aspects of our civil engineering applications. The trainer is very much approachable to contact and get queries clarified. The entire course program is well thought of.